Welcome to class. The topic for today is making the phonic sound of letter A to B. Making the phonic sound of letter A to B. Remember in our last topic, we talked about letter A and its corresponding objects. So today we are going to be concentrating more on letter B. Letter B as in ball. Can you see your screen? This letter right there is letter B. This letter is letter B. Very good. And its corresponding objects, we have two corresponding objects we are going to be using today. We have two corresponding objects that we are going to be using today. Letter B, as in ball. We have ball there. We also have letter B, as in bus. So now listen carefully. Letter B, as in ball. Letter B, as in ball. So can you echo that with me? Letter B, as in ball. Very good. Let's try again. Letter B, as in ball. Very good. And another one there is letter B, as in bus. Letter B, as in bus. Very good. So let's also not forget that letter A, as in apple. Let's not forget letter A, as in apple. And today we talked about letter B, as in ball. Very good. So that brings us to the end of today's lesson. So dear champion, do not forget to attend to your quiz and assignments. And don't forget letter A, as in apple. Letter B, as in ball. So goodbye.